No matter what, Swedes love to spend a lot of their free time for outdoor in the nature. And a lot of them also own a summer house. And if they don't, they know someone that has one. And most of the memorable memories and enjoyable time happens around these houses. Maybe because we also spend so much time in the nature, we also protect it very well. And Sweden is quite often ranked as #1 in global indexes for good sustainability. At IKEA, we also work to care for the environment. This responsibility starts with sourcing of all the materials we use. 56% of the materials we sourced in FY21 was renewable, and 70% was also recycled materials. To build a more sustainable living, we introduced many sustainable products like LED bulbs, plant-based food, more water-efficient taps to support the customers to live a much more sustainable life at home. If we take good care of our planet, our great-grandchildren could enjoy biodiversity and also meet exciting friends and animals like this little friend. Blåhaj, or blue shark, is one of our most popular products. And no wonder, because he's big and safe and strong. And if you want to discover a part of his world underneath the sea, he's also a very good friend to have next to you. And next time you meet him or see him, don't forget to think of why do we need to save his part of the world or our home as the planet. Blåhaj, Blåhaj, Blåhaj.